Yo, welcome, man. You tuned into Click React, and today we're gonna look at one of my favorite types of videos. This is gym fails. Not that I'm trying to see anybody getting hurt, but it's just for the amusement when people do some funny stuff. You know what I'm saying? But guys, we're just gonna get right into it. If you're new to the channel, man, hit that sub button, drop a like, and let me know what you would do if you seen this happen in front of your eyes. I'll see you guys later. Ow! 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 I literally just felt that so bad. Oh wow. Butterfly. Yep. This is what happens to CrossFitters, man. This is not a pull-up. I don't care what nobody says. It's crazy to me. I don't want to say that's what you get, but nigga, that's not a pull-up, bro. What are you doing? CrossFitters are so deadly.
One more.
Alright, there's no way somebody's out here laughing at this nigga.
Hold it. Are you okay?
At least he laughed, because that shit was crazy. Shit could have killed his trainer, though. This man needed to change. He mastered regular, whatever the hell that game is, so he needed a degree of difficulty that he has not seen, and this is it. That's all. Oh, you gotta get it anywhere you live, man. Train, bus, gym, it don't matter. That boy said he's gonna get these gains.
At Unibet, Nigel's taking our casino action to the max.
Hello, Nigel. Mac
That's about to slap him in his head. I feel it hurting already. Never seen this exercise though. I feel like one hand is just taking all of the pressure. What was that? Oh shit. It's such a dangerous thing, even to play around with. Oh, that wasn't a real bench. That's not how you spot. Like, what is wrong with people? You don't spot like this, bro. Like, if that shit is dropping out of his hand, you think you're gonna catch it with your fingers like this? Oh, dumb.
Thanks, guys.
Oh, hell no, I'm not doing this shit. Oh, this boy saying he's not missing no sales. Cyber Monday, Walmart Black Friday is going down. You about to break this shit. Oh. That is that all-purpose bike, bro. We know about it. Like them Bowflex. Blowflex. Is it Bowflex? Bowflex, yeah, right? Yo, what happened to this guy, bro?
I'm dying right
How did that happen? Oh, his lace. So, but how did his foot get up there? Oh, he was probably doing like those L-sits and stuff. This could be good, but it can also be stupid, I think. Oh, ow. That's the only problem with bands, right? That was good. I think he's doing this wrong. I think there can be a benefit to it, but I really believe he's doing this wrong. I think he's almost more working his spine here and not his neck. Why not just do a back extension, right?
Did you notice the vehicle?
What vehicle?
I noticed.
Oh shit! Nigga, that ain't a gym fail. That's attempted murder. What the fuck is this? Oh my god! What the fuck is this? Don't hit him.
And
What is that? I've never seen that before.
Cried today, but I know it I know he's hiding in the shed.
Where's the gym fail in this one? I'm
Dickhead.
this one is painful. This one is painful. I had to brush that off. You better go hit it again. What the fuck?
This man in here working out.
What's going on here?
I know you lying.
Nigga say he gotta get the gains, bro. What is wrong with you guys? But what happened?
I'm gonna get my phone right now.
Why are they showing this guy again? I don't know. I honestly don't know that one. Ow, bro. This one don't fucking do these type of lifts, bro. Again, I've seen this. He is working something out. It's just not effective. Let's be real. Let's be real now. Yo, what the fuck?
Oh.
I have never seen that before. Oh. Oh, somebody falling. This ain't no game. Ow. Honestly, that looks kind of fun. Without the weird shit he's doing with sounds. Oh, that dog said you're not having it. Get your ass in the house. That nigga said get your ass in the house. Like, you did not pour my food out. Why are you out here running? This nigga practicing for what? Alright, please don't do any work. Yep, you get what you give, man, and your dirty ass feet. Get that shit out of here, man. Like, what is that? Like, wear shoes, bro. You thought you were slick. You thought you could take off your shirt while running. Yeah, that's what you get. Stupid ass. Boy thought he was gonna be looking cool and shit. He really thought he could do that. Man, get back on the treadmill then, man. You alright? That lady wants to die. Oh, he about to fall. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's good, bro. He's a power lifter. That's all. You know, that's why I do calisthenics to a certain level. But them gymnastic shit, I ain't doing it. This is fucked.
I mean, yeah, I'm just afraid of yanking on her head.
You do a great job. Stay nice and calm.
She's lucky she wasn't doing the whole stack when I saw this the first time. That's what I was thinking. She was doing the whole stack, she would have been fucked here.
Alright, she's free. Great job, everyone. Sorry.
Better put that shit in a bun. Yep, that's gonna slip off your feet and you're gonna get fucked. I don't know. I feel like certain things should be this easy to see. Oh, that's cool. Here we go. Olympic lift. Ow! Spine. Done. Total fatality. 42! Kara's gonna have quarter reppers. Okay, so it might look like whatever she's doing is wrong. She's just doing it at the wrong place. Because that's basically a high pull. High row. Just not needed to be done on a theme machine. Get your ass out of here, son. Get your ass out of here, man. Oh, I'm suing. I'm suing. I'm suing. I almost died, bro. Dogs are so disrespectful. So disrespectful. Like, why does he think that's okay? What was wrong with the floor right beside his person? Bro, I tell you, bro, it's just 2023, bro. You gotta get it anywhere you are. If you're a taxi driver, you gotta do your crunches, bro. It's a must. It's a must. Oh, this nigga is riding and not looking where he's going. That's where you tried to overtake? Oh, thank God you saved the kid. That is crazy. That kid is so lucky. That could have been some broken bones. I don't know what this is, but I don't think that's how it's supposed to be used. Now I'm definitely sure that's not how these supposed to be used. This is also an exercise without any depth.
It's recording.
So you gotta secure your machines, man. Here we go. Out. Oh, that just hurt my chest watching what I was about to slap him in his back. Stupid. Why not just stacking it with plates? Why the chains? I'm gonna go with this is a powerlifting or CrossFit gym. How did it slip? I was just wondering about everybody I see slip. I'm just thinking if it's their grip. Send your ass to the trash can, ma'am. Boom. That shit is funny. I feel like because it took him so much work to actually set that up, he actually got a workout in trying to set it up. What the fuck? How's this a gym fail? What? Oh my, don't tell me that dummy I just went to go pull him over. Yo, these cops be doing the dumbest shit. But guys, let me know if you see anything like that before in your gym, and I'll catch you guys later, man.